This house appears completely closed, almost without windows, without revealing anything that happens inside. But once you enter, everything changes. This is the Kehai House, designed by HW Studio in Mexico. And here, the design does not begin with walls, it begins with the void. The house is formed by two separate volumes around this central courtyard. At the center of the house, there is no living room, no kitchen. There is a stone garden, an empty space, silent, that organizes everything around it. Everything revolves around this void, but without corridors, without traditional circulation. To move from one space to another, you need to cross this courtyard. Even in the rain, even with the weather, the house does not try to protect you from it, it connects you to it. On one side, the kitchen and dining area, with a double-height ceiling. On the other, the living room, lower, more contained, and above, the bedroom, more intimate. The kitchen and dining area have a double-height ceiling, and above it, a chamber helps collect smoke. So this verticality is not only spatial, it also responds to how the house works. Light also works differently. It does not enter directly, it passes through filters, sliding doors with translucent paper, softening the light and making time feel slower. Light does not invade, it spreads. The garden is formed by stones over a continuous surface of gray gravel, and over this field, slightly elevated wooden platforms appear. This completely changes how you move through the house. You are not simply crossing a courtyard, you pass through a space that slows movement and organizes perception. Another important point is how the house closes itself to the outside. It almost has no openings, very few windows, and all of them highly controlled, showing only what matters: a mountain in the distance, a tree at the center, a fragment of the surroundings, nothing beyond that. The house does not try to show everything, it selects, and this completely changes the experience. On the upper level, the bedroom is reduced to the essential, and there is an interesting detail. A circular opening frames the tree in the central courtyard, creating a direct visual connection between the upper level and the center of the house. Everything is reduced to the minimum, no excess, no unnecessary elements. Each space exists for a reason. Each decision is essential. This also comes from a real limitation, a reduced budget, which ultimately guided the project. Fewer choices, more precision. Another important point is that this is not a house made for a distant client. It was designed as the architect's own house, and this helps explain why everything here feels so personal, so reduced to what truly matters. Light surfaces, wood, simple structure, everything very contained. Nothing draws more attention than the void. And this is where the main concept comes in. Kehai is a Japanese idea, something like a subtle presence, almost invisible, that you feel but do not directly see. And that's exactly what this house does. It does not impose itself. It does not try to impress. It creates a silent space to perceive, to pause, to be. Kehai House is simple to understand. It is not about what was built, but about what was left empty. A house that shows that sometimes the most important thing in architecture is not what you add, it's what you choose not to include.